Chemistry Urdu channel, and I will discuss about chemistry. Lecture is given by Shanza Asif Vance. Chapter under discussion is chapter 9, aromatic hydrocarbon. Now, what questions are discussed? Definition of aromatic hydrocarbon, their classification, nomenclature, about benzene history, about its discovery, and how can you calculate molecular formula of benzene and prove that benzene is cyclic in nature. All of these questions are short questions asked in paper. First is definition of aromatic hydrocarbon. What is aromatic hydrocarbon? There is history that aromatic compounds are fragrant. And what aromatic means? Aroma means fragrant. But there are many compounds which are odorless but aromatic, and similarly some compounds are fragrant but they are not aromatic. So this is not perfect definition. All aromatic compounds are not fragrant, so this is not complete statement. Then what is definition? Characters of aromatic compounds are low hydrogen to carbon ratio. It means carbon and hydrogen have same number. It means 6 hydrogen 6 carbon, and in other hydrogen is less as compared to carbon. And second, it is interesting that all aromatic compounds are aromatic hydrocarbons when they are on degradation. All aromatic hydrocarbons have low hydrogen to carbon ratio, less hydrogen as compared to ethane, ethene and ethyne. Its formula, simplest formula is CnHn. Now there is aromatic hydrocarbons are when these are of higher molecular mass on degradation methods, they will produce benzene or benzene derivative. So what is benzene? 6 carbon unit having 3 alternative double single bond. Now definition of aromatic hydrocarbon is that give benzene or all those compounds that are structurally related to benzene. Aromatic hydrocarbons are having benzene ring, or on degradation they give benzene ring, or they are structurally related to benzene. There is classification of aromatic hydrocarbon. Aromatic hydrocarbon are classified on the basis of number of benzene ring. There are 2 types, monocyclic and polycyclic. First we will discuss monocyclic. These are such type of aromatic hydrocarbon having only one benzene ring. Mono mean one, cycle mean ring. It means it is having only one benzene ring. For example, benzene, for example toluene, when methyl is added to benzene, phenol when OH is attached, aniline when amino group is attached, benzoic acid when acid is attached, benzaldehyde when aldehyde is attached to benzene, and benzene sulfonic acid. All of these are monocyclic. Now polycyclic, as indicated by its name, all aromatic hydrocarbon that having more than one benzene ring. More than one benzene ring. They are also of 2 types. 2 or more benzene ring are present, but they are isolated. They are linked only with one bond. Or second type, when these are fused. First type, when benzene ring are isolated, for example biphenyl, diphenyl methane. You can see in this topic, biphenyl, 2 benzene rings are attached to one point to each other, and in diphenyl methane, di mean 2, phenyl group, benzene, when it remove one of its hydrogen, then it become phenyl. 2-phenyl attached to methane. There is proper definition of phenyl group. When hydrogen is removed from benzene, then it becomes C6H5, or it is known as phenyl group. If substituted phenyl group, then these are known as aryl group. Second type of polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbon in which benzene ring are fused and in such a way that at ortho position one carbon to carbon bond is common between two rings. One carbon to carbon bond is common between two rings. You can view that bond is common for two benzene ring of naphthalene. Similarly, phenanthrene, when three benzene ring but not in chain, but in anthracene three benzene ring are attached in straight chain. And what are fused polycyclic? When they are fused at ortho. What means by ortho? This is a question. One of point that which benzene is attached is common bond, its main point, and its neighboring point is ortho. Other two are ortho, then these are para. When these are attached to ortho position, one carbon-carbon bond is common, then these are known as fused benzene rings. So, fused polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons. Nomenclature. Many steps are for nomenclature, and daily we will discuss about 2 points. One point is that benzene, this is a system for naming benzene and its derivative and depending on substituents that are attached to benzene ring. First rule is substituent is written before benzene as prefix, pehle. Prefixing, it means that before name of benzene ring, substituent is attached. For example, methyl benzene, you can see that whole name is single word, is in single word, no gap is kept between them. Methyl group is substituent, so methyl benzene, ethyl group substituent, ethyl benzene, chloro group is substituent, chlorobenzene, nitro group is substituent, nitrobenzene. Second rule is interesting, that if someone is given common name to any benzene derivative, then it will be its algebraic name. Such as methyl benzene is written as toluene, so its name is toluene, not methyl benzene. Same, hydroxybenzene is known as phenol, and it should be written as phenol. Its name is phenol, not hydroxybenzene. Some other example, when methyl is attached, its name is toluene. When phenol is attached, when alcohol is attached, when OH is attached, its name is phenol. When amino group is attached, its name is aniline. When acid is attached, benzoic acid. When aldehyde is attached, then benzaldehyde. Now some introduction about benzene. How it's discovered? It is discovered by Michael Faraday in 1825 by gas produced by destructive distillation of vegetable oil. And after 20 years, it was again found by coal tar by Hoffman. It was again found in coal tar by Hoffman. Short question is, how can we find out molecular formula of benzene? This is answer of question. How can we calculate molecular formula of benzene? First, we will find empirical formula by elemental analysis, percentage composition of elements. And for benzene, empirical formula is CH. Its molecular mass is molecular formula is determined by experiment known as vapor density method, and it was found at 78.108. Molecular formula is found, that is C6H6, 6 times greater than empirical formula. How it's calculated? Formula of N is molecular mass divided by empirical formula mass. You know molecular mass 78 and empirical formula mass of CH is 13. 78 over 13, then it will be 6. And molecular formula is find out by multiplying N with empirical formula, and N is 6, empirical formula is CH, then formula is C6H6. Most important question of this topic, that is why benzene is cyclic is nature. First, students, when benzene was discovered, then there was not a paper attached to it that is benzene and that is its structure formula. Nobody was known about it. Then about their structure, first molecular formula was determined, and second they suggested that they may be straight chain. Benzene may be straight chain. Nobody known that. At that time nobody was aware about the structure of benzene. So first they suggested two straight chain formulas, that is according to C6H6. One is 1,5-hexadiene. Ine mean triple bond, and at 1 triple bond, at 5 triple bond, 2 triple bond are present, then diene, and 6 carbon hexa. So 1,5-hexadiene. And second possible structure is having 2 double bond and 1 triple bond, 1 and 5 double bond and 3 having triple bond. So its name is 1,5-hexa for 6 carbon, 1,5-hexadiene, 2 double bond, 3 ine, 3 पे triple bond. Now we will analyze, we will compare benzene with suggested structure. Suggested structures were 1,5-hexadiene and 1,5-hexadiene, 3-ine with benzene. First, what type of reaction should be given by spore structure? They having double or triple bond, so they both are oxidized by alkaline KMnO4, which is of purple color, and they decolorized KMnO4. Both structures should decolorized KMnO4. According to this, these structures are giving only addition reaction because they are very reactive due to presence of double and triple bond. They are having greater unsaturated character, and if they give monosubstitute product, that means one substitution should be attached, then they give 3 types of monosubstitute product. Now we will compare these characters with benzene. Then benzene is stable to KMnO4 solution, it doesn't decolorize KMnO4 solution. If benzene has structure of 1,5-hexadiene or 1,5-hexadiene 3-ine, then it should decolorize KMnO4, but benzene is stable. Benzene should give addition reaction, but it is giving substitution reaction. Benzene is stable, but suggested structure are reactive. Benzene has structure of 1,5-hexadiene or 1,5-hexadiene 3-ine, then it should give 3 types of monosubstitute product, but it gives only 1 type of monosubstitute product. As if benzene has straight chain structure, then at one position substitution should be attached, at second position and at third position. But benzene structure is such that all of 6 carbon are equal in position, and so monosubstitute product are formed. Now what type of conclusion is obtained? Benzene is not related to any open chain hydrocarbons. As alkane is CnH2n plus 2, alkene CnH2n, alkyne CnH2n minus 2, but benzene is CnHn, that means C6H6, And all of these characters that are we are having discussed, that if benzene is straight chain, then these reactions should be performed by benzene, but actually benzene is totally different by straight chain spore structure. So prove that benzene is cyclic in nature. Thanks, work hard, subscribe my channel.